Hi, my name's Holly. Welcome to our high school welding technology program. Follow me, I'll show you around. MITT's High School Welding Technology program will teach you the skills required to become an industrial welder for manufacturing, construction, and other high-demand industries. You'll spend a half day at MITT every day creating custom projects using a variety of welding techniques, including arc, MIG, TIG, and oxyacetylene welding, all in our authentic welding fabrication shop. Courses include Introduction to Welding Technology, Basic Arc Welding Procedures, Metal Design Fabrication and Oxyacetylene Procedures, Basic and Advanced MIG Welding Procedures, Advanced Metal Design and Fabrication, Applied Specialties and Qualifications. You'll earn high school credit towards graduation and may also be eligible to receive your Apprenticeship Level 1 accreditation towards the Apprenticeship Manitoba Certified Welder Program. Seats are limited. For more information, visit mitt.ca or contact your high school guidance counselor.